back. Today I have for you a very bold date night ready makeup look. This is so perfect for Valentine's Day. I mean, it's perfect for every day, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to wear this on Valentine's Day, well, you are welcomed. So yeah, what can I say? I used a Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow. I'm not very happy about that, because I mean, I'm happy with the pigmentation and the color because it's so pretty, but I'm not happy because I'm still having fallout, like from blinking, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, anyway.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Recently I noticed that a lot of people does shoutouts in their videos, like mentioning subscribers that they are very active on their channel or other creators. So I think I'm going to start doing that as well on my channel. So if you want to be shoutout in my video, if you want to be mentioned in my video, you just have to be, I don't know, active on my channel, or yeah, I guess you just have to be subscribed. Of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to be active, you know, just to let me know that you are there, you are watching my videos. So I think I'm going to do shoutouts from Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, if you want to be in my next video, maybe subscribe first of all and be active, I guess. In today's video I'm going to shout out this gorgeous lady. She is always active on my channel, she is always there in the comment section, and honestly I don't think she missed a video. Thank you so much for being so supportive. I really appreciate your effort. Her name is Beauty Butterfly Makeup Time. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. So yeah guys, as I said, if you want to be mentioned on my channel next time, maybe just be active on my channel, and of course subscribe. How many times am I going to say subscribe to my channel? Because it's free, and why not? Anyway, if you want to see how I created this gorgeous bold makeup look, then keep on watching.
How could you say this every time?
As you already know by now, I like to use the concealer as my eyeshadow base, and first I'm going to start with Spark. This is from the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to build this color a lot, and also I'm going to wing it out, like I'm going to create that cat eye effect. On a pencil brush I'm going to take Berry Treasures, and I'm going to go very slowly with this eyeshadow because it's very pigmented and very powdery, it gets everywhere. So I'm going to slowly build this color, and I'm going to follow the exact same pattern, like I'm going to create that cat eye effect. Take your time and blend, blend, blend. I think this was the hardest part, to blend this and to make it look as even as possible, but I think we are good and I'm going to move on. Oh, indeed, it was the hardest part. Okay, next I'm taking this white concealer and I'm going to create that cut crease or cat eye effect. And as you can see, I'm taking a very small detail brush and I'm going to take my time and perfect this. I just want you to know that when I'm doing this part, I don't breathe. So yeah, I'm taking my time here. And as Ariana says, just keep breathing, so don't forget to breathe. Next I'm taking Coin, but because that concealer, it was wet, this eyeshadow didn't want it to stick, so first I used that dry and then I wet my brush and I perfected that crease, as you can see here. And next I'm taking Berry Treasures and I'm going to fill in all my lid, and I'm going to be very careful around that gold eyeshadow because I want to make it even. So take your time, no worries. If I can do this, you can totally do this, okay? You can do it. With a wet towel, I perfected that wing, and after this, things went downhill very fast because I didn't know exactly what to do on my bottom lash line. You'll see that in a second. So yeah, it was very hard to decide this part. Wow. So I decided to remove the black on my bottom lash line because it was too black, too uneven. I didn't like that. And I think I'm going to go with this color. I have to mention that this is so messy. It gets everywhere and it's so hard to remove. I had that all over my forehead, in my brows. As you can see, I messed this part a little bit here. It's okay.
12 seconds later.
I don't like it. Okay, so I guess I'm going to do my face makeup and then I'm going to do my bottom lash line because I don't know what's going on. I don't like this. Wow, I just applied the Milani foundation on my face. I forgot how good this is. I really love how this looks on top of my skin. It's amazing. So this does oxidates a tiny bit. It went a little bit darker but not too crazy, and I do have the shade Light Natural. But I'm looking on my face, I didn't set this foundation yet, but I'm looking on my face and I'm having fallout from the black eyeshadow. That will be fun when I'm going to set my makeup, as you can see here.
How could you say this every time? This is the new world, you told me lightly.
Anyway, I'm still practicing my nose contour, so don't at me, okay? Next, I don't know if I want to do my lower lash line or my highlight. I think I'm going to do my highlight. Why not? So I'm so all over the place in this video. Sometimes I speak, sometimes I listen music. I think I'm going to do a voiceover. Anyway, first I'm going to start with the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights highlight. This is in On the Cusp, and I'm going to apply this with my finger. Next I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild highlight. This is in Precious Petals. And I think I'm in love with this highlight because it's absolutely gorgeous and looks so beautiful on the skin. It doesn't emphasize texture or pores. Wow, I really recommend this one. And I think I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this one as well. I still need to retouch my brows. Anyway, on my lower lash line, I think I'm going to go with the red shade because I don't want to do black. So as I said, I'm going to go with this red shade in my waterline on my bottom lash line. Oh, okay.
Is there a place to get away?
No. Alright, so now my eye is watery. That's amazing. Oh wow. Please, you need to stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Red alert, alert, alert. Oh no. Why are you doing this? Oh Jesus. Okay, we are good. But this eye is shady. Okay, next I'm going to wait this eye to chill a little bit, and I'm going to do this bottom lash line as well, but I think I'm going to retouch my eyebrows and I'm going to be right back. So because this eye was watery, I got some tears some tears like right here in the crease, and I don't know if you can see that on camera, but the eyeshadow faded, and I tried to fix that and it didn't work. Like the eyeshadow doesn't want to stick back there. Amazing. Next I'm going to apply these lashes. These are the Lavio lashes in the style Kyoto. Don't forget to set the makeup. I'm going to do the inner corner highlight. I'm going to use again this gorgeous gold eyeshadow that I have on my eyes. Next I'm going to do a red lipstick and call it a day. I'm just kidding, you already know me. I'm going to do a nude lips because, come on, let's be real here. I mean, I already have the drama happening on my eyes. I don't want drama on my lips as well because it's too much for me, you know. So I'm going to do a nude lipstick. I'm using the BH Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the shade Alice. But first I'm going to line my lips with this Essence lipstick in the shade In the Nude. And probably these liners are so expired because I have them for so long. I have a bunch of them from Essence. I need to get new ones because yeah. And next I'm going to go with the lipstick. Okay, so this is the finished look. Very bold, very dramatic, and so ready for a date night out. Let me know down below what do you think, but I feel like it's pretty wearable for a night out. Yeah, let me know down below what do you think. I'm curious. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Okay, so this is the addicted. I need to take my pictures for the thumbnail and maybe for Instagram. And I think I'm done for today. Easy peasy. Took me like 5 hours to do this makeup, but you know, the power of editing. I do have a clip here to hold the ponytail like up. This is so annoying. And it's still not working. I would like to know why ponytail